Welcome to 114 West Desoto Street in Pensacola, Florida. I'm so excited to show you this historic home today. It is such a beauty and has been fully restored to its natural beauty. I wanted to point out here the existing cobblestone streets here with the trolley tracks as well that go right down DeSoto. Super charming, has all that North Hill charm. If you're not familiar with this historic area in Pensacola, it is absolutely wonderful with sidewalks and parks throughout. Now this home has only had 2 owners and it was built in 1908. The first builders were the Sublett family, lived here for many years, 100 years I believe to be exact, and then the owners now purchased in 2004 and completely renovated this home, put so much love and time into this house, and it definitely shows. So as you can see here, very well maintained exterior, great front sitting porch, perfect for entertaining out here, just gorgeous out here. We also have a fully fenced lot, and I will show you around the backyard here shortly. So coming into the foyer area here, you can see everything starts with the beautiful woodwork, crown molding throughout, and we have this wonderful chandelier. It's such a beautiful conversation piece. I don't think video does it justice. It is absolutely stunning when you walk into this foyer here. Here you can see an example of some of the beautiful restored woodwork in here. Original hardwood floors, just absolutely gorgeous. So on the right over here, we have beautiful wood pocket doors, just fully restored, a labor of love for sure. Going into the parlor here on the right, very nice spacious room. There are 9 fireplaces in this home, including one in the master bathroom, which I'm really excited to show you. Right over here, we have a convenient mini bar here for the parlor area. I just love this feature. I think it's so fun. Perfect for entertaining. Just across the way over here, we have the living room. Again, another gorgeous chandelier in here. And a fireplace as well. Pocket doors all around in here to close everything off, as you can see. And another set going right here into the formal dining room. We have a table that seats 8 in here. You could definitely get a 10 top in here. And just look at this gorgeous original piece of stained glass here that has survived Ivan and all the hurricanes here. Just a beautiful centerpiece here in the formal dining room. Just look at this woodwork all around. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just off the dining room here, between the kitchen and the dining room, we have a convenient butler's pantry with an additional prep sink in here, giving for lots of extra storage in here as well. The kitchen here was completely redone in 2004. There wasn't really much in the way of a kitchen, to be honest here. We have a 5-burner gas cooktop stove, ice maker, double wall ovens here, plenty of storage and cabinet space in this kitchen with granite countertops and plenty of natural light coming in from the 3 windows here. Wet bar as well over here. Just lots of perks here. This back door here leads out to the backyard. There is actually an alley with a gate that comes in. You can see we have an outdoor kitchen and sink here as well. Perfect for entertaining. You can bring your groceries right here, right up the back door and into the kitchen space here. There's also another back door that enters right in behind the stairwell, and I will show you that in just one second. Let me go ahead and give you a tour of the side porch here and the carport. Just above the carport, we have a lovely sun deck up there. I'll show you that once we get upstairs. Freshly pressure washed here and mulched. And again, here is your backside gate from the alley that leads in. All right. There's also a nice sized pantry, which a lot of times you don't get in these homes that are over 100 years old. So right back into the kitchen here. We have a pantry over here with additional storage, as well as a nice convenient half bath here, right off the kitchen. And on the main floor here, there's also one bedroom. So if you needed an in-law suite here on the main floor, you totally have that as an option. Again, this woodwork is just absolutely gorgeous in here. And we'll go ahead and show you that bedroom here on the main floor. Very nice size rooms in here. As you can see, we have a 4-post king size bed. Again, original fireplaces that are just absolutely stunning. Transom windows up top as well. Just wonderful. So this is in fact a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home. There is a full bath here on the main floor. You have a jetted tub and a separate walk-in shower as well. And a beautiful stained glass window in this bathroom. Over here, we have the walk-in shower. Additional storage under the stairwell here. And the back door that also goes out into the backyard here. And I just showed you back out there. Again, this magnificent chandelier, just stunning, absolutely gorgeous. They've just done such a wonderful job with all of this woodwork, bringing it back to all of its natural beauty. Here we go up to the main floor here, or the second floor, I should say, with 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms up here on this floor. As you can see, the owners are utilizing this space as a second living space with a desk and such up here. We have our first bedroom. Again, very large bedrooms in here. Crown molding throughout. This room actually does have a closet. So you do have a little bit of extra storage in this room. A lot of these old homes don't come with much closet space, so I'm excited to show you the master suite. Into the second bedroom upstairs. This bedroom does not have its own closet. There is a nice size wardrobe here in the corner though, for your convenience. Just across the way here, we have the master suite. There are 2 fireplaces in here. We have one that you can see here, and then we have another in the master bathroom, which I think is just a lovely feature. Nice size master bedroom. And here we have his and her closets with pocket doors. Plenty of storage space in here. Again, a feature you don't get a lot of times in these older homes. So plenty of room. And pocket door into the master bathroom. Look at this gorgeous fireplace in here. We have an oversized jetted tub, as well as a walk-in shower. Very nice size walk-in shower here with a bench as well. And we also have a double vanity with granite, as well as a water closet with an additional vanity in here for your convenience. So 3 vanities in this bathroom with a water closet, a separate walk-in shower, and a very lovely, nice size soaking or a jutted tub here. I'm sorry. All right. I'll take you through the rest of the rooms upstairs before I go ahead and take you out onto the deck space up here. We have a door back here for you to reach the outdoor space and the one up front as well. Again, right here, I'll give you this view. You can just see the beautiful detailed woodwork in this home from this angle right here on the stairwell and banister. So here in the hall, we have the laundry. We have a stackable washer and dryer in here. And into the full bathroom, so the 2 other bedrooms on this floor besides the master would share this bathroom with a walk-in shower. And the 4th bedroom is located on the back corner of the house here. They have it set up as a sitting room. This can definitely be a bedroom. It also has a side door here that goes to the exterior. And a wonderful fireplace. Now this bedroom has an ensuite bathroom. It also has this little bonus room that would be wonderful. You could utilize this as a gym space or an office space or a dressing area, or even a walk-in closet if you wanted to do a walk-in closet in this bedroom. Here we have another full bathroom with a walk-in shower. All right, now I want to take you out onto the covered entertaining space out here and show you this wonderful open sun deck we have out here. There's just so much deck space for entertaining in this house. I just love it. Beautiful day out here today in Pensacola. You can see the detail here of the wood ceilings. Plenty of entertaining space out here. And then right over the carport here is this awesome sun deck space. Just wonderful. I'll give you a view from the backyard over here. Such a magnificent home. Again, only 2 owners to this home. And in 2004, I don't think I mentioned that all the wiring and plumbing has been updated throughout the home. And originally there were actually no bathrooms inside this home. So in 2004, they did add the 4.5 bathrooms. Just such wonderful detail and so impeccably maintained. All right, I'll take you downstairs and give you one last view of that beautiful, spectacular chandelier in the front walkway here. One of my favorite things about this house. In fact, so magnificent and wonderful. So again, this is 114 West Desoto Street in Pensacola, Florida, in beautiful historic North Hill. Please let us know if you'd like to set up a showing or if you have anybody interested in seeing it. We'd absolutely love to show you.